Tingnan mo sa labas, oh. Ay!
Surprise!
Napakaganda dito sa may Sunnyside, Newfoundland. Tingnan nyo naman yung paligid. Wow! Yun oh. May magandang nagip. Doon yung nakuha naming bahay. Ito lang, sa likod nitong puti na to. Tapos tignan nyo itong tubig kung gaano kalinaw. Tignan nyo naman oh. Kitang-kita yung laman ng dagat. Yan oh, kita yung mga isda na patay. Yun, patay na isda. Patay na isda. Meron pa ritong patay na isda. Mga kinatay siguro. Linaw, no? Linaw.
Ano lang kinuha nila?
Ang linaw. Okay. Denali. So, ito na ang inyong bahay. Yan, tingnan nyo naman yung harap. Oh my Lord. Pwede na. Wow. This is home. This is what you called home.
So we still have a little bit of work to do here.
Okay.
We want to do a little bit of paint,
Yep.
and I was going to put new cabinets in, but that's probably going to be a little way down the road. So we're just going to paint this.
Nice. How do you find it? Huh? Huh?
It's good.
It's better than the first one we got. Wow.
It's only two bedrooms, so they'd be in the one room.
This is home.
Yeah, so we could probably
Okay.
get like bunk bed. You know what I mean?
Bunk bed.
And the living room is separated from the bed. Well, there's a bedroom here, but then you have a hallway comes down here, where your washroom and all the power is off right now. So the rooms are larger.
I think I like this one.
Yeah, but it's going to take me probably a couple of months to get this ready.
Go in here.
Going there?
Not there. No, up you. Let's go inside.
This one was too small. This one here will be ready in 2 months. So if this one was okay, you could stay here until this one was ready,
Oh,
right?
so we can choose it.
You can look at two.
Thank you.
Come on. Lock.
Storage just down the road.
Yeah,
Lock
yeah,
and
it's
load.
easy. Like if we need something, it's like we can just walk. So where's your other? This one is your phone?
That one there, yeah, but that's totally.
Itong harapan ng bahay na nakita namin, sobrang ganda, promise. So dito nakapag-decide na kaming mag-asawa na dito na lang kami magpo-focus sa nakita naming bahay sa may Sunnyside area. Yung likod nga pala ng bahay na yan, yun. Nakikita nyo, bakante pa yan pero i-renovate pa ng may-ari. Pero itong nasa gilid na yan, pwede nang tirahan yan. Yan na yung bahay. Ito yung magiging bahay namin. Tapos temporary habang nire-renovate yan, dito muna kami. Yan ang harap. Tapos dito sa baba, yan sa pagbaba dyan, dyan ang school bus ng bata. Magaan sa pakiramdam. Kaya dito na kami. So nandito na ang bahay namin. Arreglado na, no? Ang babayaran lang natin yung 1 week na paghihintay niya. So yun na. Ang upa namin, upa namin, secret. Naabutin ng mga 1-4.
Kasi hiwala yung kuryente. Depende
Tapos,
sa gamit namin.
ang
So
kagandahan
at least
doon,
separate tayo.
ang kagandahan
Wala
pati
tayong
doon, hindi siya nangingi ng advance at saka ng deposit. Sabi niya, tiwala kami sa inyo. Alright, see you, bye.
Canada, Argentina. That's Canada sa kapatid.
So pagkatapos nga naming makita yung bahay at nakapag-decide na kami, ito at uwian na, Nova Scotia Ferry. Heto nga at naghihintay na sa amin ang Titanic. Here we go! Yung pagpunta nga pala namin dito, medyo nagkaroon pa kami ng mga problema sa sasakyan na dala namin. Nabasag ang windshield at nasira ang condenser. Nandito na kami sa loob ng cruise kaya pagdating namin sa ND, asikasuhin kaagad namin yung windshield at condenser kung cover ba yun ng insurance. Guys, pagsubok nga naman.
Sadyang malapit ang tadhana.
3 minutes and we're home.
Canada Post.
Oh my God, after 8 days.
9,
9 days, sorry.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13.
So,
Oh no, 10 days!
This is our 10th
Umalis tayo
days.
ng 5 eh, so counted yun.
See you later, guys. Home, sweetie home. Oh my God. We are home. Ha? At kapag siniswerte ka nga naman, pagdating pa namin dito sa bahay, isang araw na palang walang kuryente. Aray ko. Mabuti naman at hindi pa natutunaw yung mga ibang yelo dito. Kahit papano safe pa yung pagkain. Same dito sa may ref, kahit papano malamig pa yung singaw niya. Kaya ano pa, next step, ipaalam sa may-ari.